Hey my friends, I backtested this strategy on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frames over a 12-week period. I did 100 trades and the strategy had a 70% win rate. That's like winning almost 3 out of every 4 trades. But here's the best part. We started with just $1,000 and ended up with $86,361 in just 12 weeks. Can you believe that? Are you ready to learn the super simple and free strategy? Awesome. First things first, head over to the TradingView website and we'll be using 2 free indicators from there. I recommend using the strategy on either the 5-minute or 15-minute time frame, but feel free to tweak the indicator settings to suit other time frames if you'd like. Once you're on the TradingView, select the chart for the asset you want to trade. Then navigate to the indicator section and search for the first indicator we'll be using. It's called EMA Cross Plus Trend Channel. Don't worry, it's a pretty popular indicator, so you should find it easily. Click on it to add it to your chart. Alright my friends, to make the indicator work like a charm on your chart, we'll need to make a few quick adjustments. Don't worry, it's a piece of cake. Just follow my lead and tweak the settings as I do. Alright, now it's time to dive into the second indicator, but before we do that, I'd like to mention that here at TradeGenius, we're committed to providing you with the best free indicators for scalping. We upload new content almost every day, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to stay updated and support our work. Now let's back to the business. To make the strategy even more powerful, we'll need another indicator. To add the second indicator to chart, follow these simple steps. Head over to the indicator section on TradingView. Then type Fisher Transform with up-down in the search bar. After that, locate the indicator in the search results. Click on it to add it to your chart. And voila, you've now got the Fisher Transform with up-down indicator ready to work its magic alongside the EMA Cross Plus Trend Channel indicator on your chart. But just like the first indicator, the Fisher Transform indicator will also need some fine-tuning to work seamlessly with our scalping strategy. Don't worry, we'll go through the steps together to ensure it's tailored perfectly for our needs. Great, now that you have both indicators set up and customized, it's time to learn the rules for entering and exiting trades. So, now let's talk about spotting those sweet buy trade entry signals. Here's how you'll know when it's prime time to dive into a buy position. First, make sure the price candles are chilling above the 100 simple moving average or SMA line. This keeps us on the right side of the market. After that, keep your eyes peeled for a long signal from the EMA Cross Plus trend channel indicator. This is a green light telling us it's a good time to consider a buy trade. And after that, double check the Fisher transform indicator is on board with the buy signal. The histogram should be white and above the zero line, giving us a thumbs up. So, once all these stars align, it's go time. Open the buy position and watch your investment grow. Now, let's talk about protecting your cash with a smart risk management. So, to keep your potential losses in check, place your stop loss below the market recent swing low or below the 180 SMA line. This acts as a safety net for your trade. After that, lock in those sweet gains by setting your trade target 1.5 times greater than the distance between the entry level and a stop loss level. This way, you'll be aiming for more profits than the risk you're taking on. So, here's your game plan for spotting prime selling opportunities. First, ensure that the price candles are hanging out below the 180 SMA line. This keeps us in line with the current downtrend. And then look for a short signal from the EMA Cross Plus trend channel indicator. And finally, make sure the Fisher transform indicator is on the same page. If the histogram is red and below the zero line, you've got the green light to proceed with your sell trade. So, if all these conditions are met, it's time to pull the trigger and open a sell position. As always, let's talk risk management. Use the most recent swing high or the 180 SMA line as your stop loss level. This helps minimize potential losses. And keep your risk to reward ratio at 1 to 1.5, aiming for more profit than risk you're taking on. Adjust your trade target accordingly. and thanks for joining us. Now that you've learned the strategy, watch out our recommended video for more tips and success stories. Keep learning and happy trading!